This is Jake with A.G. Russell Knives, and today I have for you the Bob Loveless designed Gentleman's Folder. This folder is a Lockback pocket knife made with a semi-skinner blade. Bob designed two knives for A.G. when he was visiting his home in the mid-1980s. Bob designed an integral hunting knife and this knife right here. A.G. had Phil drop some CAD drawings of Bob's design, and we sent that design off to Moki, the best folder maker in Seki, Japan. Moki has been in business since 1907, so at that point they had nearly 100 years of experience under their belts, and they are very well known to be one of the best knife makers in the world. They do fantastic work. Really, their fit and finish is outstanding. This is handmade level quality work. Let's look at the back here. You can just barely see the lines where things connect. It's so flat, you can't even really feel the transition. You can barely even see the transition unless I get it in the right light. Fantastic fit and finish. Just everything superb. The inside is cleaned out. These blades are fantastically sharp. I'm pretty good about not cutting myself, but I've nicked myself several times during this video. Just the lightest touch will get you. Extremely sharp. Let me talk to you about the materials. The blades are made out of a VG10 stainless steel. It is a Japanese premium steel capable of receiving a very fine, thin edge that allows the blade to get much sharper than many other steels. Excellent steel. The bolsters, caps, liners, and shackle are all made out of a 416 stainless steel. So nice quality hardware. It's not going to wear out on you. The blade comes in 3 handle materials. In my hand is mother of pearl. Very pretty. Excellent fit and finish here. You can see no gaps. Really, really pretty. Next we have a Chinese quince. Chinese quince is an excellent durable hardwood. It is related, it's a distant cousin to the pear family, and it's highly valued for its unique pattern and designs. It's very resistant to cracking, and it has very unique texture and pattern to it. There we go. There we get a good view of the texture and pattern there. You can see all those little dots. Beautiful, beautiful wood. And again, excellent fit and finish. I love opening and closing these. It's extremely smooth. Nice solid click. Not hard to press the lockback at all. Unlocks easily, but just beautiful alignment on there. Finally, we have black pearl. Turned out gorgeously as well. Again, with excellent fit and finish. let's show you guys some measurements. So the blades are made with 3-inch long Seki Japan steel. So with grinding, we're coming in at just shy of 3 inches, about 2 7/8 inch long there. They're made with 1/8 inch thickness. And so, let me show caliper without cutting myself here. We're at 0.11, and 1/8 would be 0.125, so pretty close there. And for width, 11/16, we're at 0.65, so 11/16 would be 0.6875. So all really close on the specifications there. The handles are approximately 3.5 inches long. Yeah, 3.5. Right on the mark there. And width, we're looking at from the inch mark about 1 3/4 for the handle. With the blade, we're looking at 1 7/8 or so. All right. And we'll weigh the knives here. I needed to add this white block in order to get it to the camera to focus. So we have it zeroed out, and we'll add the mother of pearl coming at 2.7 ounces. Chinese quince, 2.5 ounces. And black lip pearl, 2.7. Thank you guys for watching. As always, if you enjoyed this video, help me out and give a like. And if you want to see something else to put on my list of knives to overview, let me know in the comments. Have a great one.